Hey guys, and welcome back or welcome to my channel. So today's video I decided to just turn on some music and get ready, so I will not be talking throughout this video. So if you don't like those kinds of videos, just go ahead and leave it, because I mean I'm not going to be saying much during this video. I used a couple new products. I used the PIXI Fairy Lights cream shadow, and I don't know how I feel about it yet because you can't blend it out, and if you start touching it after it's on your lid, it just kind of comes off. So I'm going to have to try this a little bit more, but I do like the effect that the glitter gives off, but as of right now I'm kind of on the fence. And the other thing that I also used is I got a set at Target of PIXI stuff. It had a peel and polish, a glow tonic, and a rose flash balm, and I used the rose flash balm for a primer because I heard that Rach Loves on YouTube, I'll link her channel below, she said that it was a really good primer and she didn't know why people weren't talking about it. So I'm like, well, might as well get the set, get a mini one, and if it's good, I'll get the full size one. So I tried it, and yet again, I'm gonna have to use it a little bit more because I have my tried and true, but it didn't make it look terrible when I put my foundation on. So I don't know, I'm gonna have to play around with it a little bit more. And then of course my eyelashes are Eyeler's collaboration with Nikki Philippi yet again, and this time it's the Flirty feline kind, and it is kind of like the daytime sort of lash, and it is so pretty. So if you guys want to see how to get this look, then just keep watching.
So, I don't know, I'm gonna have to play around with it a little bit more. And then of course my eyelashes are Eyeler's collaboration with Nikki Philippi yet again, and it is so pretty. So